Introducing the UV Care Ultra Clean UVC Vacuum, your ultimate protection against bed bugs, dust mites, and germs. Experience a new level of clean with its advanced features and powerful performance designed to provide you with an even more thorough cleaning experience. Let's start vacuuming. Plug in the unit to a 220 volts outlet to start. This unit has 4-meter power cord for your convenience. Place the vacuum on top of the surface you'd like to clean. Press the power button. Once turned on, the indicators for dehumidification, heat, UVC light, roller brush, and ultrasonic technology will also light up. Start vacuuming. Make sure that the machine is pressed firmly onto the surface to ensure that the UVC light is turned on and working properly. It has an intelligent dust and dust mite sensor, so you know exactly where to vacuum. Press the power button to turn the unit off. UVC safety. The UVC lamp is turned on if the light indicator on the display panel is turned on. The UV Care Ultra Clean is equipped with a 2-wheel safety switch. The UVC lamp will only work if the vacuum is turned on, is in full contact with the surface, and is pressed down firmly. The UVC lamp will automatically shut off when the unit is lifted from the surface or tilted upwards. After use. After turning off the unit, unplug the power cable. Empty and clean the dust cylinders. Store in a safe, dry, and cool place away from children's reach. Discover the joy of effortless cleaning with the UV Care Ultra Clean UVC Vacuum, your ultimate protection against bed bugs, dust mites, and germs.